There are two ways to tie a constrictor knot. The normal way and the inline way. I will start with the normal way. You take your rope and you go around the object. You go over and make a cross. You come under again. You lift the cross that you just made. You lift everything up and you put it through the cross. Pull tight, truss your knot, and here is your constrictor knot. To tie a constrictor knot in line, you do not need the end of the rope, but you will need the end of the object. You want to start out with a loop. Make a second loop in the other direction. You want to take the rope of the second loop and put it underneath your first loop. Now you want to take this and put the two loops on top of each other. Take your object, put the knot around the object, pull tight, and here's your constrictor knot in line.